Hello and welcome all my dear students. How have you been? I hope you all are great, fit and fine. My dear little chums, I hope that now as the exams are approaching, you are excited to appear for the paper of all the subjects, and I am pretty sure that if you have worked hard throughout the month, if you have watched all the lectures, I am pretty sure that you are going to fly with the good colors in your result. So my dear students, I mean to say is, if you are consistent, surely you are going to get the good results, and also one more benefit is that if you are consistent, if you are very much regular, you need not have to work hard at the end moment. So my dear students, I welcome all my dear second standard students once again in the English lecture. Now, what are we going to do today? So, today we are going to have the revision test. As we did in the previous lecture, this is the revision test, or I should say this is the last revision test and the opportunity for you to revise the topic the last time. So, if you were preparing for the objectives, here you have the opportunity to test what you remember and to just understand on which topic you need to work hard. So please open your rough notebook and give the heading today's date. Then second you have to give the heading subject. Then revision test. So this much heading you will have to give. I'll wait for a couple of seconds so that you will be able to give the heading properly. So please start giving the heading. I hope my dear students you have started writing the heading part on the page, on the new page, and I hope that as always after finishing your work you will send it to your follow-up teachers. So here first thing what we are going to do is true or false. So as you know that at a time I will write 2 to 3 questions. Overall there are 5 true or false. After writing 2 to 3 questions I will give you time to write the answer on your own. And then once I write the answer on the board you will have to check your answer. That is how the format is for the test, revision test. Okay, I suppose that now you might have given the heading. So please give another heading. True or false. So this is the first test part in which you will have to solve the statements, right, whether they are true or false. Please give the heading. I hope that you have started giving the heading part, and please make sure as soon as I write the questions on the board, you too have to start writing the questions so that you will not need much time to write the questions in your books. And also, whenever you just are writing the next question, please make sure you leave one line for each. Okay my dear students, now I am going to go on the board and write the questions. Please make sure you also start writing the question. Number 1. Kim's goat's name was Happy. Number 2, Happy poked her nose into the coat. And number 3, Happy was staying in the barn. So I have written 3 questions here. I hope that you also have started writing the questions. So please try to finish writing the question. As soon as I ask you to write the answer, I will again give you 1 minute or a bit more than that, in which you will have to write the answer. I hope, my dear students, you have started writing the question. Number 1 is Kim's goat's name was Happy. Number 2 is Happy poked her nose into the coat. And number 3 is Happy was staying in the barn. Now you will have to read these statements very carefully. Perhaps I might have changed the statements. That means what you have written in your fair book, might be the statements are little bit changed here. So please try to think about the answer. I hope that you have started writing the third question. At least you will have to keep this much speed if you want to complete the class test live in the lecture. So my dear students, now you have 2 minutes to write the answer, to think about these statements and to recollect, to recall whatever you have understood. So your time starts now. Now whenever you read the statement, one suggestion from my side is, always think about the story in the sequence it happened. Maximum time this is the way how students are getting the answers. Okay. I hope that you are getting the answers properly. You are able to recall the chapter. Many of you might have already written the answers, but I am pretty sure that those students are the ones who were watching my lecture very much regularly. Okay, I am going to write another 2 questions and then all together I will write the answer for all the 5 questions. Number 4, Kim did her homework in the garden. Number 5, Kim fed hay to Happy. So another 2 questions I have written. Please start writing and complete writing the questions. Now as you can see, overall 5 true or false are there, statements are there, and I have written all the 5 on the board. And I suppose that you should have started writing by now question 4. Kim did her homework in the garden. Number 5. Kim fed hay to Happy. Again, I'll give you a minute or two to write the answer for another 2 questions, and then I'll go on the board and write the answer. Please make sure whenever I say stop writing, that means at that time you don't have to copy the answers from the board. Once I finish writing the answer, you have to check your answers. So be loyal for this test, as no one is going to punish you if you are going to get the less marks, but you are going to get the benefit. You will be able to know how much do you remember. Okay, your time starts now. Please write the answer for number 4 and number 5. I hope that you have started writing answer for number 4 and number 5. Read the statement very carefully. Even if you miss out one word, maybe the meaning changes and you might lead yourself to incorrect answer. Okay, now I'm going to write the answer on the board. Please check your answers. Let us discuss and write it down. Number 1. Kim's goat's name was Happy. What did Kim name her goat? Obviously, she named her Happy. As you can see, answer is here. Happy poked her nose. Obviously, Happy is a goat. That is why it is written here in the question. Question will never be wrong. So, you can use this trick to get the answer. This is true. Number 2. Happy poked her nose into the coat. Is that so? Do you remember that Kim lost one card from the pocket of the coat, and then she remembered that Happy was poking the nose in the coat. That is when she got to know that the card is not in the pocket. So Happy ate the card. So this statement also is true. Number 3. Happy was staying in the barn. Is that true? If you remember my explanation video, in which I told you that Happy full day used to stay in the yard. Happy full day used to stay in the yard, in the open garden. But at night, where did she sleep? Obviously in the barn. In your fair book I have given in the house, which was false. But here the statement is true, because Happy actually used to stay in the barn. So this statement is true. Number 4. Kim did her homework in the garden. So do you remember Kim used to do the homework with Happy, with the goat Happy, because she said that goat seemed to be very much lonely. So to accompany the goat, she used to do the homework with the goat. Now where was the goat staying? In the barn. So obviously Kim was not doing homework in the garden, in the barn she was doing. So this statement therefore is false. Number 5. Kim fed hay to Happy. True. So my dear students, I have written the answers here. What do you have to do is, you have to check your answers. For example, answer number 1, I have written true. If you also have written true, then you have to put tick mark. If you have written false, then you have to put cross mark. I will give you few seconds. Please check your answers. So my dear students, as I gave you the example, I changed the statement number 3. This way I may even change the statement in your exam paper. So please make sure that you read the statement very carefully. The students who are mugging up the answers will not be able to answer this way. So I hope that you are checking it. True, 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 false, true. This is the sequence. Only one statement, number 4, is false. Okay, my dear students, now let's have fun today. This was the thing from the revision test. Now I have brought something new for you. Yes, I know that now there is a smile on your face as you heard that sir has brought something new. And let me tell you, let me increase your smile. This new thing is a kind of game for you. Yes, you heard it right. It is a kind of game for you. So you are going to really enjoy it. But please make sure you write the question for this new thing also on the new page only. So where you have written this true or false, then please take another page. So I am going to clear the board. I am going to write another title. Instead of true or false, I am going to give another title. You will have to see and give the same title on the new page. So as you can see, I am clearing the board and I am going to write another topic, another title. So my dear students, can you see I have given a very fresh new title. Now the title is form the correct word. Form the correct word. Sir, what is this? Right? This is what the question might be. Let me tell you. Let me give you one example. Okay, my dear students, can you see I have written something on the board? If you can see, read it. R double dash A dash. What is this? Yes, you got it right. You have to form the correct word. Half word will be given to you. You have to fill in the blanks and form one perfect word. So this is just the example. So this is nothing. Let me tell you. R O H A N. This is my name, Rohan. So this way I will give you the words from the hard words I have given you. Yes, do you remember? For every lesson I have given you hard words. So I am going to write the questions here. I am going to write the incomplete hard word. You have to complete that word. This is what the game is. So be ready. Give the heading, form the correct word. I will be writing the questions on the board and will give you time to solve the answer. But students, please make sure you have to only and only form the word from the hard words and from the lesson. You cannot form any word you like. You have to only form the word from the hard words of the lesson. So can see, I am writing the questions. So please start writing the question. So I have written 8 questions on the board. Please write the questions. My dear students, I have written 8 questions on the board. I hope that you have started writing the question and you are really gonna enjoy this game a lot. This way you will not only revise your hard words but also enjoy playing the game. Isn't it so? Okay, number 1 G double dash T, number 2 Y dash R dash, number 3 B double dash N, number 4 K double dash, number 5 dash A Y, number 6 J double dash E, number 7 F A double dash, and number 8 DI dash 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 R. So you have to fill in this space and form the word from the lesson only. Now I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. I hope that you have started solving it. So please make sure that you write the answer, but think about that you have to make the word from the lesson only. Okay, are you enjoying it? Try to solve it quickly. Fine. Now I am going to solve first 3 words for you so that you will get more excitement here. Now if you can see, my dear students, G double dash T. So it is G-O-A-T, goat. This is from lesson number 7. So you have to form the word from the lesson only. So G-O-A-T, goat. Who was the goat? Happy. Happy was the goat. Number 2, Y dash R dash. What is that? Y-A-R-D, yard. It is yard. Do you remember? King ate the flower from the yard. So that yard is this. Next is B double dash N. What is that? B-A-R-N, barn. B-A-R-N, barn. Kim used to stay in the barn. Again I will go away from the screen so that you can see the questions. Please try to solve it like I did. See how easily I solved first 3 words. I hope that you have started solving number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's see in how much time will you be able to complete this. If you have completed, then you are excellent. If you have completed till 7, then you are genius. If you have completed till 6, you are very good. And if 4 and 5 you have completed, you are better. So these are the tag I am giving you. Okay, now I am going to solve number 4 and 5 also. So number 4 is K-I-M, Kim. Who was Kim? You will say that, sir, lesson number 7 is based on the Kim. So how can we forget who is Kim? Kim was a girl. Number 5. Hay. Hay. Do you remember? Kim and her friend fed hay to the happy because goats usually like to eat hay. Hay means dry grass. Now try to solve the remaining three. I hope students you are trying it on your own without the help of anyone. So this way we are doing the revision of hard words which you will need in your exams when you are typing the answer. Okay, now let me write the answer for the remaining three one. This is J-A-N-E, Jen. This is F-A-R-M, farm. Please check your answers. Have you solved it? Then please check it. And this is D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. So please check your answers. So my dear students, I hope that you were enjoying this game. Now please check your words and the spelling you have written. Okay, so now I hope that you have checked your answers. My dear students, how was the game? I hope you enjoyed this game. You don't know, this way you have revised your hard words. So, my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. The first part, which was the test part, and the second part, which was the test, though, but more like game. So, I'll come with few more interesting lecture of grammar for you. Till then, good luck for your exams. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Do take care of yourselves.